start our lesson. Okay. Okay, that's a box of the Uno card. Now, Owen, let's have a review. Okay, you listened and click. What's this one, Owen? Listen. It's huge. Say it. You say first the word.
Okay.
This is.
Oh.
You say first. Huge. Huge.
Cute.
Okay, now you click, Owen. Click. Dun, 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 dun. What's the missing one? Wow, that's right. Yay, very good. And this one, Owen.
Mom. Mama.
This is.
1 2
Again.
3 แน่นอน
Huh? Say it. Mute. Okay, mute. And click. Let's see. Wow, that's correct again. Now, Owen, I want you to tell me, what is this one? Oh, wow, that is so yummy. Can you give me some? Okay. Now, Owen, thank you, Owen. Now, let's have this one.
June.
Okay. Very good. Now, you click. Yay! That is perfect. Hi, 10, Owen. Hi, 10. Whoop. All right. Now, Owen, let's see this one right here. Okay. Can you read the title of our lesson? You read this one.
It's Wednesday.
Oh, wow. You are so smart. Very good. Again.
Teacher, Mommy, not spell is oven.
Oh, you said it? Oh, wow. Congratulations. I will give you your awesome sticker for that one. Yay, here it is, Owen. Very good. Again, you tell me, Owen, the title. Okay, you tell me it's
Wednesday.
Good job. Now that's this one. You listen, you look, circle, and say, Owen, what are the differences? Okay, what are the differences? What's the difference? You look at the picture from picture number 1 and number 2. Okay, that's right. Very good. And how about
yes. No. This.
Okay, that's very good. You are so clever. Very good. That is also correct. And how about the date? The date, Owen. You look at the calendar. Yes. Okay, that's it. Very good. Yay. Good job, Owen. Okay, you say, what is this one, Owen? Let's check, Owen. Let's check. This is correct, and correct. Wow, that's correct. Yay, good job. Now let's go to another page and let's have word fun, Owen. Okay, you tell me, Owen, what is this one without the sound? Because you already know this. This is... Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is...
I play the piano on Wednesday.
Yes, good job. You also said...
Mommy, not your spell. Okay?
Okay, you just said...
Mommy, not spelling.
Oh, okay. You just said it. It's Owen who said it. It's Owen who said it? Okay, all right. I am so proud of you, Owen. Very good. Here is a superstar for you for that one. Now, let's see if you can have another star. Let's have this. You read without the sound, Owen.
I go to swimming on Tuesday.
Yes, Good job. Very good. Again.
I go swimming on Thursday.
Yes. Very good. That's 2 thumbs up right there. Very good, Owen. You are so smart. Okay. Is this easy for you, Owen? Is this easy? Oh, easy? Easy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now let's go to. Okay, before that, Owen, can you circle where is Thursday? Thursday. Where is Thursday in the calendar? Okay, that one. How about this in the calendar? Where is Thursday here in the calendar? Where is Thursday? Dun 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 dun. Where is Thursday, Owen? Where is Thursday? Wow, that's correct again. Very good. Now, Owen, let's have another word. Okay.
Okay. Easy.
Easy.
I jump rope on Friday.
Yay! Good job! I will give you a clap for that one. Now you circle. Where is Friday? Where is Friday, Owen? Alright, good job, Owen. Okay, another high five. Let's have another high five, Owen. Another high five. Oh, high 10. Alright. Now, Owen, let's go to another page, and it's game time.
I am ready.
Yeah, hey, now let's go, Owen. Let's go. Let's have this one. Oh, I love this game.
I am ready.
Okay, first you need to save. You need to save the small fish from the big fish. All right. Now let's start in ready and 3, 2, 1. Go, Owen. You say faster.
I am Wednesday.
Again.
I am Wednesday.
Now you say Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Again.
Wednesday.
Okay, that's it. Yay, very good. Now I will give you a star for that. Let's have this. Let's save again in 3, 2, 1. This is
Tuesday.
wow, you are so fast.
I am Owen. Thursday.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. Yay, Owen. I am happy that you are the one saying it. Very good. And how about this one? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go, Owen.
Friday.
Okay, that's perfect. Owen, you are so fast. I will give you your mango for that one, Owen. Very good. Now, Owen, let's go to another page, okay? And alright, you need to also say this one fast. Okay, are you ready, Owen? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, you are ready. Now let's start in 3, 2, 1. Go. This is faster.
Thursday.
Very good. Again. Dun, 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 dun.
Friday.
Okay, one more time.
Wednesday.
Okay, that's it. Again, Owen. Go.
Tuesday.
Go, Owen.
Friday.
One more time.
Wednesday.
Okay, again.
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Again.
Friday. Wednesday.
Okay, wow, that is perfect. You got 9. Yesterday you got 8, but this time you got 9. That's a lot of points nice, Owen. I will give you again another star for that. Yay, Owen. Great job. Now, Owen, let's go to the next page and let's talk. Okay, you listen and repeat. All right, let us just read this one right here. Okay, you read, Owen.
Good morning, Cindy. How are you?
Very good. Yay. And this one, let us listen.
I am.
I'm
I am happy. I will go to piano class after school.
very good. Good job, Owen. I will go to piano class after school. How about this one?
What day is it?
Very good.
It's Wednesday.
The third
The first day after school.
day
Day of the week. I usually play the piano on Wednesdays. Wednesday.
Very good. Okay, now let's have another one. How about this one, Owen?
Do you play the piano on Thursday?
Good job. Thursdays? You say it? Thursdays.
Thursday.
Good job. And this one? No?
No, I don't.
I always
They do math homework on Thursday.
Thursdays.
Thursdays.
Very good. And I will give you another star for that one, Owen. Here is your superstar. Very good. Yay! Okay, now let's go to another page, Owen. And listen first and you follow, Owen. Follow.
Oh, I see. What do you do on Friday?
Fridays.
Fridays. Anna. I always jump rope
With Anna.
On Friday.
Very good. Okay, again. You read it, Owen.
I always jump rope
with
Anna on Friday.
Wow, that is a great job. Very good, Owen. Now, Owen, let's have our game time. Are you ready, Owen?
I am ready.
Okay, now let's have our game time right here. You listen, do, and repeat, Owen. What will the children do after school? All right. Okay, you listen. Okay, say.
I
Will. Okay, let's listen again.
I will play
The piano.
after school.
Okay, great job. Again, I will play the piano after school.
I will play
I will play
I play the piano class after school.
Okay, now how about this one?
I will jump rope after school.
Okay, that's perfect. And this one, Owen?
I will
Play
I will to play
basketball.
basketball after school.
Okay, great job. Now, how about you, Owen? What do you do after school? What do you do after school? Do you also play with your Uno cards? What do you do after school? You play with Uno? Alright. Now, Owen, let's go to another page and you spin and say Owen. Okay, look at this one. You say, I usually play piano on like that. Okay, now let's spin it, Owen, in 3, 2, 1. Go, Owen. You say stop.
Stop.
Okay, and number 4. I usually
to
sing.
I usually to song.
Okay, again, sing songs.
Sing song on Monday.
On Monday, is it Monday?
Yes.
On
On Tuesday.
Very good. Okay, again, I usually sing songs on Tuesday.
I use sing song on Tuesday.
Okay, now, how about this one? Let's spin again. Dun, 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 dun. Spin. And you say stop.
Stop.
Okay. All right. And number 2. Okay, Owen, you know this one. I usually
play football or soccer on
Thursday. Okay, great job. I will give you another well done star for that, Owen. Now let's spin again. Let's spin in 3. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Number 3. Okay. I usually
jump rope on Friday.
Yay! Good job! And this one, Owen. The last one is dun 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 dun. You say stop.
Idea. Stop.
No, stop.
Stay.
Okay, you say
Stop.
stop. Alright. Now this one, Owen. Okay, number 1.
I usually play the piano on Wednesday.
Very good. That's a great job, Owen. Now, Owen, let's go to another page and let's have a picture talk. Okay, now you will be Sam, Owen, and you talk about different days. How about this one? Teacher will say this. I usually play football or soccer on Wednesday. All right. How about you, Owen? Can you tell me this one? I usually
play jump rope on Tuesday.
Yay! Good job! And this one, Owen, this one.
I usually
Sing.
sing song. Something.
Sing songs on
Huh? And then
what's this?
play.
Yay! Good job! That's right. All right, Owen. Now I will give you another well done sticker for that one. Now, Owen, let's have the wrap up of the things that you have learned today. You are amazing today, Owen. You tell me, what is this word? What's it?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Oh, wow, that is right. That is so quick. Now, our key sentences. I will. I will.
I will go to piano class after school.
Okay, good job.
Play the piano on Monday.
Okay, Owen, good job for that one. I will give you your mango and one well done star, Owen. Very good. Now, Owen, okay, that's the end of our lesson today. I am happy that you already know the words, Owen, such as Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and our key sentence